So this is the road of 1864 Bends. Well, part of it. It shouldn't be too difficult for you to work out how it got its name. However, I would be lying to say if I said that I've managed to keep count, because this has now been going on pretty much non-stop, apart from the odd little town, for the last 2 days. And it goes on a bit tomorrow as well. And as one rider said, coffee yesterday afternoon, that is the best road I have ever ridden. To which somebody else agreed. And bearing in mind this guy has ridden for 30 years and ridden from the top of Alaska to the bottom of Argentina, he does know a good road. Oh look, it's almost straight for a moment. Take a breath.